Okay, here we are again looking at more of the damage caused by the moisture damage. Again, you can just see how badly rotted the sheathing is. This is what we call dry rot. So this material has been going through different cycles of moisture and dry, and it's not surprising because this is the southeast exposure, and in the lower mainland this is where homes are the most susceptible, because in the winter we have the rain coming at an angle due to the winds, and this is where the house is most vulnerable. So you can see what's happened, that over time, unfortunately, what led to this extent of damage is the fact that the siding was not properly fixed back in day one when it started to shrink and crack and open up. As soon as your envelope has any sort of cracks, particularly on this exposure, then the house is liable for moisture to be penetrating and getting deeper into the wall system. So here we have structural membranes. These are the jack studs to support the window. You can see that it's completely rotted out and that this will have to be rebuilt. One of the other issues with a house that's deteriorated this badly is that we are in the seismic zone, and there is very, very little seismic strength with these walls. So what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild the framing, and then we're going to redo the sheathing, and we're going to use nail systems that are more consistent with the seismic wall.